Good morning, little learners. Today we will discover special words that help us become amazing readers together. CVC words have 3 letters. A consonant comes first, a vowel sits middle, another consonant comes last. Consonants are strong sounds like B, C, and M. Vowels are special sounds like A, E, I, O, U. When we blend C, A, and T together, the sounds join smoothly and create the simple word cat.
Cat! I love cats!
That's right! Great job!
The fluffy cat is real and soft. Now I understand how letters make words we see every day.
Listen carefully. K, A, T. When we say them faster, they blend smoothly and we hear the word cat. Let's try another word. D, O, G blend together and make dog, a friendly animal many children love.
The happy dog wagging its tail helps me remember the sounds and letters that build the word.
S-U-N blend to make sun. The shining sun gives light, warmth, and happiness every single day.
The bright sun through the window helps me understand the word because I can see it clearly.
The bat flies at night. Letters B-A-T blend together and make the word bat. B-A and T makes the word bat. Now learn M-A and P makes the word map.
Wow, bats and map, map, map!
Ethan, why don't you show us the treasure map?
Wow, look how big it is! So many roads! The map shows roads and places. Letters M-A-P come together and make the word map.
My big hat looks funny today. Letters H-A-T join together and make the word hat.
E makes hat. Now let's learn R-E-D, which makes word red.
Red, hot, and red.
That's right! Great job!
Red.
Today we're learning about the color red.
R plus E plus D makes the word red. The bright red balloon looks beautiful. Letters R-E-D blend together and make the word red.
Look, B plus E plus D makes the word bed. And here's a cozy bed for Ethan.
Wow, a bed.
Now, Ethan, show us how cozy it is. Let's look at the board.
I dig in the sand happily. Letters D-I-G blend together and make the word dig. That's right, Ethan.
This wooden log feels rough outside. Letters L-O-G blend together and make the word log. This colorful cup holds pencils neatly. Letters C-U-P blend together and make the word cup.
Wow, so C-U-P is cup.
I get it now. Let's look at the board. When we put B-U-S together, they make bus.
The yellow bus takes children to school. Letters B-U-S blend together and make the word bus.
Look at all the words we learned today. Every word follows the consonant-vowel-consonant pattern together.
Cat, dog, sun, bat, hat, map.
We read each word by blending sounds smoothly and confidently together. Say the words cat, dog, pen, pig, and bus.
Cat, dog, pen, pig, bus.
Say the words
Sun,
bat, hat,
mat,
mat,
bat,
hat.
mat, map.
CVC words are fun to read. Blend the sounds and you succeed. Practice daily, you will see. When you practice reading every day, your brain grows stronger and reading becomes easy, fun, and exciting. Goodbye, little readers. Keep practicing your CVC words and come back soon for another fun learning lesson.